If you're planning to travel and you bank with Lloyds, choosing the right card can save you hundreds of dollars in fees and unnecessary charges. The best Lloyds bank card for travel right now is the Lloyds Bank Travel Rewards card, and here's exactly why it stands out. This card is designed specifically for people who spend money outside the UK. One of its biggest advantages is that it charges zero foreign transaction fees. Most standard debit and credit cards add around 3% to every purchase made abroad. On a $2,000 trip, that alone can cost you $60. With the Lloyds Travel Rewards card, that cost drops to $0, which immediately makes it one of the most cost-effective options for travelers. Another key benefit is free cash withdrawals overseas. Many cards charge a withdrawal fee plus an exchange markup when you use an ATM abroad. With this card, Lloyds removes the foreign usage fee, meaning you only deal with the local ATM operator's charge, if any. This makes it ideal for destinations where cash is still widely used. The card also offers competitive exchange rates based on the MasterCard rate, which is close to the real market rate. This ensures you're not losing money through poor currency conversion. For frequent travelers, this alone can translate into significant savings over time. On top of travel benefits, the card includes strong security features such as instant transaction alerts, card freeze functionality through the Lloyds app, and protection against fraudulent transactions. These features are critical when you're spending money in unfamiliar locations. There is no monthly fee for holding the card, which keeps ongoing costs low. You simply use it when you travel and avoid the usual hidden charges. For anyone looking to travel smarter, spend confidently, and protect their money abroad, the Lloyds Bank Travel Rewards card delivers exactly what matters without unnecessary extras.